Okay. So we got
pieces of candy.
13 candies, 5 kids. Oldest
Must get 2.
gets
At least 2.
Greater than or equal to 2 candies.
But it doesn't specify for the rest of them.
Right. So I would say, essentially, like, probably the best way to do this is, well, here, I'll ask you. What do you think the best way to do this is?
We subtract the... just... Cases are going to be really hard. So why don't we try it where we take 2 away from the... Whoops.
So anytime you want to press it, press this button,
Okay.
and then you do this kind of thing. You see what I mean? Mm-hmm. Okay. So now, go.
Okay, so maybe we take the 2 away from the 13.
Yes. And so really what we're doing...
So that's like 11 to 4 kids.
Right. Well, not necessarily to 4 kids, because the oldest kid can get as many candies as they want.
So basically
right?
11 to 5 kids.
Right, 11 to 5 kids. But then we also have to figure out, well, I guess there isn't any way to, I mean, we don't have any options in terms of distributing the 2 candies to the oldest kid. The first thing we do is as soon as we show up, we give 2 candies to the oldest kid.
And say, hold on.
Right. And then the rest is, so now we basically want to distribute 11 candies to 5 kids.
Okay.
So what's multi-choose for this? I mean, what's the recipe?
It should be 11 plus 5 minus 1. So that's going to be 15.
Okay. So we're going to do 15, choose what?
15, choose 4.
4?
Uh-huh.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Because we're picking, what was it? N plus K minus 1, choose K minus 1?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So here, N is, 11? Right? And K is 5?
Uh-huh.
Right? So we're doing N plus K minus 1, choose K minus 1. Okay. And 15, choose 4 is well, let's see if we can figure it out without the calculator. Hold on. So we got 15 factorial.
I don't know the answer because I pressed the answer button away.
4 factorial, 11 factorial.
Yes.
Right? So this is really like 15, 14, 13, 12.
Over 4 factorial.
Right. Over 4 factorial, which is itself 24.
1. Yes.
Right? So 24. And I'm going to join, so I'm going to write 15 times 7 times 13. And what I'm doing is I'm taking...
You're getting rid of the 12?
Right. I'm taking... Exactly. Right.
2 out of the 14.
Exactly. So what's 7 times 15 times 13? Do you know?
No.
No? What's the easiest way, do you think, to do this? I have an idea. So I know that 7 times 13 is 91.
Yes.
How do I know that? It's the first product of primes that's worth memorizing.
Oh, because I can...
Right? Because the rest of them you can kind of just do in your head. Okay? So this is like 15 times 91.
Yeah.
Okay? And then 15 times 91 is the same as 15 times 90 plus 15. Mm-hmm. Right? And what's 15 times 90?
What's 15 times 9? What's 15 times 9?
Oh, is there... I'm trying to think of an easy way to do it without, resorting to actually multiplying in my head.
What's 15 times 9?
I mean, I can do 15 times 9. So it's 135, right?
Yes.
90 plus...
1,350 plus 15. 1,360. 5.
1,365.
What's the calculator say?
Oh, let's see. Okay, do 15. What was it? What did we do? 15 choose.
We did it.
Okay, 1,365. All right. So maybe the search for an easy way to do it is kind of in vain. But like, maybe we should just roll up our sleeves and multiply.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the easiest way to do it.
Probably.
Okay.
Without spending too much.
All right.
That's really strange. Yesterday I couldn't do it. And
You couldn't do what?
I couldn't do this one, 4-2.
Okay.
I
Well,
was
that
thinking about it the exact same
that
way.
tells you.
And I was
know.
watching the video at the same time.
Sometimes you just have to sleep on it. Like sometimes you just have to wait a day and then you can.
Think about it again.
Yeah.